Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is not Calvin. It's for every one of you that I'll be giving you guys top 5 secrets on how to pass excellently in your forthcoming UTME exams. As you all may know, UTME exam will be officially kicking off tomorrow, being 6th May 2022. The top secrets are as follows: 1. All UTME candidates should arrive at their exam venue an hour or 2 hours before their stipulated time on their notification slip. Secondly, all UTME exams should be prepared physically, educationally, and spiritually. Thirdly, all UTM candidates should have the required items to come to the exam, which include nose mask and pencil with your main examination slip. Finally, while writing your UTME exams, please try as much as possible to attend to all the easy questions before going to difficult ones. Finally, all UTM candidates writing 2022 examination should strictly abide by this information. Don't you allow the system to submit by itself. Studies have made it known that most times, due to some errors in a system, if a system submit by itself, actually those answers and questions you answered might not be submitted in Jamb database. So I urge you guys to submit your exams by yourself and be sure that it has been submitted. Don't let the system to switch off by itself or submit your exam. Exam success to you all.